So I had this patient who came to my clinic and she had an egg-sized fibroadenoma in her breast. So she rushed in and she was crying. As a human, as a woman, she's got 2 small kids. तो मैंने उसको बोला आप बैठो, आपको कब जाना है? She said 2 दिन के बाद बुलाया है. मेरे पास effectively 2 दिन है. मैं आपको 3 दवाई की पुड़िया देती हूँ. And then we'll see what needs to be done. एक डोज मेरे सामने दे दिया and I sent her home. She called me exactly at 11 o'clock in the night. I said ये कुछ हो गया होगा. So I picked up the call and she said डॉक्टर आपने मुझे क्या दवाई दी? She's sounding calmer. So I asked her क्यों क्या हो गया? She said डॉक्टर वो छोटा हो गया.
Allopathy and homeopathy tablets you can't take together.
This is just a myth.
What is homeopathy exactly?
Homeopathy is a very gentle, safe, tried and tested pati. So we believe in likes cure likes.
In homeopathy, there is a mind, body and connection. उसको बहुत महत्व देते हैं.
No, there are actually it's a triad. There is mind, there is body and there are emotions also. So ये तीनों का triangle होता है. When there is an equilibrium in these 3 things, the body is free of disease.
What is palliating?
Palliation is symptomatic relief. आपको headache हो रहा है, मैं पेन किलर दे रही हूँ, आपका headache ठीक हो जाएगा. Root cause नहीं मिल रहा.
हाँ, correct.
Whereas what we are doing is wherever there is a limitation of homeopathy, it's an accident, it's a trauma case, there is blood loss, emergency. So वहाँ पे जहाँ लगेगा, allopathy can step in. Why not? So वो homeopathy के limitations हैं. 90% of the Indian population suffers from vitamin D deficiency. B12 deficiency. Now where does this happen? This happens in the gut.
So today's session was a big eye-opener. We have debunked a lot of myths revolving around homeopathy, and I'm sure you all must have also realized what you all must be thinking and how to go about it now. So let's heal together.